Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your speech region on the Google Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And then you should tap on the settings icon down below, which is the last option. And then you should go to the voice section and tap on the second option saying speech region. Here you will see a bunch of options, so just simply tap on the one that you would like to choose. And here you can also select from a vast variety of English speech regions. So tap on the relevant one, and as you can see, you have selected the speech input and output. So you can change it anytime by repeating these steps that I've just showed you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.